Hey there, Webb's Reserve fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing this inventory terrace condo. It's the Arbor floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. This is unit 314. It's a first floor unit. And with the Arbor, as soon as you come in, you've got your kitchen area right here towards the left. So you've got a nice little spot there for a bistro table, your pantry. You get the white cabinets, quartz countertops. You've got an island here with a few stools that would fit right there. You get a full stainless appliance package here with these condos and a full golf membership as well. Just off to the right of the kitchen, you've got a linen closet there. There's your guest bedroom here. And then you have your guest bath right here. The guest bath here in the Arbor floor plan, you've got your sink, your commode, and your combination tub and shower. But this is also where your full-size washer and dryer laundry space would be as well. Now coming back out into the main area here, you have additional spots here for bar stools right at your kitchen counter. Right here you'll see that there's an electric cap here. This would be typically your dining fixture, maybe a dining room table right here. And then in your living room space here, notice this cap right here, that's going to be your ceiling fan light fixture, and you're typically going to have your TV right on this wall, and where I'm standing, that's kind of where your couch would be. Now your master bedroom here overlooks your views, which are really spectacular from this building here. Plenty big enough for a king size bed in here. You've got walk-in closets on both sides. There's one right there, and then you've got this one on this side as well. So plenty of closet space. And then last but not least, you've got the standalone shower in the master bath here with the sink and the commode, and you do have a linen closet right there as well. Now the last thing we have are the views. So the views from this building are spectacular. We're on the first floor here, so you have very convenient access in and out with your, all the stuff from your car, or if you're pet owners. But here you've got a golf course view. You've got a view of the aqua range back there. And most importantly, right off here in the distance here, that's where your amenity center is going to be right there. So you are walking distance to get to the main clubhouse, pool, and everything else once that's complete. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.